Hi guys, this is Rahul and you're welcome to GoMahamara.com. In this beautiful tutorial, I'm going to teach you how you can use Google Keywords Planner in order to plan your keywords for your campaign. So first step for you, go to Tools, and inside Tools, if you scroll down, you will see Planning. Inside Planning, we have option of Keyword Planner. Click on that and it's a pop-up. Just click on Got It. And here we have two options: discover new keyword, get search volume, and the forecast. We want to discover a keyword, so we'll click on this. And now here we have to write down our keywords. Let's assume I want to start with digital marketing. Once you give this enter, you can add more keywords in order to get your further keywords and create filters. So let's assume we'll be writing digital marketing agency. Similarly, you can write many keywords, as many you want. Next option we have of language. You can choose the language for which you want to target. We have different keywords targeting, we have different keywords values and their bidding based on the language and the location. So I want to choose currently English, and here we have location based targeting, so we can get the search volume and the bidding rate based on the location. Let's assume we want to target USA, so we got option all United States. I'm going to remove India. I'm click on save, and now there's one more option to create filters, to enter the site link. So it will remove all the keywords which is unnecessarily for your targeting. Now we have option to enter the website URL, so that we can filter these keywords which is required for our website. Instead of unrelevant keywords suggestion, we'll get only related keywords. So now we are going to search in the Google digital market agency. Here we are getting a lot tons of Google ads, and first option is this one, so I'm choosing this one. Now selected, go to keyword planner, enter the link and get the results. If you want to add this URL, they'll give you extra keywords which is non-relevant to your sites. Now all the keywords which will be relevant to your site based on digital marketing agency or the digital marketing. And once you are done with that, you have option to change the location here and the language here. And one more thing, we can filter based on the Google search and the Google search partners. Next filters we can do is the date range. We can collect the latest date range or the data the people they are searching for. So I'm going to choose the last month data, or you can go ahead with the custom one. Let me choose the custom one. And here I'm going to choose April till May. My data is not there, so I'm only able to choose April. Now Google is giving you suggestion to broaden your search with the marketing, internet marketing, advertising, SEO, social media marketing, website designing, website development, but we do not want. If you add these, Google will increase the tons number of the keyword suggestion. Currently keyword suggestion is 182 keywords ideas. You can create filters on these. We have to decrease the number of the keywords so we can target the best quality keywords. So for targeting keywords, we can see first is the monthly search average. How many people they are searching for those keywords on a month basis. Let's assume for digital marketing it's quite broad, and the people are searching is like 1k to 1 million people they are searching for digital marketing, but digital marketing agency is like little short. So only 10k people to 100k people they are searching for this particular keywords. And if you will scroll down, you can see digital marketing company, digital marketing services, digital marketing agency, digital marketing advertising. So there are like many suggestions we got. You can create filter based on the multi search and your search relevancy, if it's important or not. And then we can see the competition. If the competition is too high, we have to eliminate those keywords because the pricing of that keywords will be high. How we'll check the pricing? So we can see the top of the page bid and the top of the page bid high and the low. How much minimum is that for top page bid and how much high we have to bid for being there on the top. So both the values are there. Top page is there, on the top of the ads you have to there, but how much low, up and down was there, that is these two values. You can add more parameters by going to the columns option, and here you can choose ad impression, average monthly search, 3-month search, your change, competition, account status, organic average, organic impression, competition. This is not required for us currently. So whatever you need from these columns, you can uncheck this or check that. Currently these 8 are important one for us. So we will click on apply. Now let's see the top bid and the high bid value. For digital marketing agency, the top bid is around 380 rupees and here it's 1066 rupees. Here you can assume it's $half, here you can assume it's $1.5. So these are the value. There's up and high range we have to bid to be there on the top of the page. For country United States, let me check for country India. I'll choose India, say target, save, and here you can see digital market agency bid is quite low, that is only 21 rupees for this particular bidding, and the high is only 85. You can say it's 20 cents, you can say this as $1. So this is the difference based on the country you target. So this is how you give estimation to your clients that how much budget is required for getting a leads. Let's assume anyone wants 100 leads from you. So you will be saying for 100 leads we can approximately say out of 100 clicks we get 5% lead ratio will be there. So 5 lead you will getting out of 100 clicks. So for getting 100 leads you need 2000 click per day. So for 2000 click, what will be the average value? You can multiply with that and you can quote your client that every day your budget will be this much. So this is how the quotation work, and you can choose the competition. The competition for digital marketing agency is quite medium, but we have to target. This is important keywords, you cannot eliminate it, and the rest keywords, digital marketing services is quite low, cheaper, and digital marketing company, digital marketing agency near me. These are the important keywords. Even the search volume is less, so competition is also less. For some of the keywords competition will be high and the bidding will be up and down. So you need to check which are the keywords you should target, what are your budget. So based on that you can filter out the keywords. Next option we have in this is refine keywords based on the brand and non-branded. Branded and non-branded is something like, let's assume someone is searching Amazon PPC, Google PPC, Google digital marketing, Google ads. So these are the branded terms, and non-branded is only digital marketing, PPC, PPC agency, like that. These are the non-branded. So based on that you can create filters. Shopify and HubSpot, these are the branded keywords, you can eliminate these. And we need only non-branded currently for Google we are looking for. You can also search for Facebook and Amazon in case if you want to target for Amazon customer or Amazon PPC, or you can target for Facebook PPC or display ads. Now we'll close this branded and non-branded. Let's assume you need only for PPC. So you uncheck all the other options and you'll get a keyword which is relevant for PPC, and the PPC people they are searching for that. So based on that you can create filters based on the services. Next, based on the company type, agency, creative agency, and the others, we have number of keywords based on that filter also. And we have next option is the industry, healthcare, real estate, financial, pharmaceuticals, hospitality, and the others. So these are the options the people they are searching for. Let's assume the people they are searching for digital marketing agency in real estate, digital marketing agency in healthcare sector. So these are the options the people they are searching for, and you have to create filter based on that, and based on that you can create keyword filters. And next option is the others, and the last option which the Google failed to filter out, they added that inside the other sections. So these are the things are there, you can create filters. And now we'll create filters based on our important keywords and how to filter out the important one. First step we'll see here is digital marketing. Digital marketing courses are there, digital marketing books are there, digital marketing PDFs are there. That is not relevant for us because we want to target digital marketing agency. So we'll remove this one, we'll select this one. Online marketing is also not relevant for us because nowhere related to our marketing agency. But we can make another form of keywords, that is online marketing agency. So another keyword is performance marketing. Performance marketing agency, you have to add it. Just filter out the keyword phrases and add your own idea. You can not only add agency, company term is there, services term is there. So you'll get all the ideas. You just need to frame new form of keywords the people they are searching for. You just need to add a little brain. So digital marketing services is there, digital marketing company is there, performance marketing company, services, both you can create, online marketing services and company, both you can add. Digital agency, currently it's not relevant for us. Digital agency may be for anything, like the people may be searching for digital ads, may be searching for local ads or something like that. So currently I'm not recommending this. Even see, you can see the competition for is like only 17 rupees and here is 77 maximum. On an average if you'll see is 22 to 95, 20 to 85 maximum that way. See, here is performance marketing. Performance market, I said performance marketing we cannot go for because performance marketing agency we can target, and but for performance marketing we are not targeting, so the competition and the pricing are less. So this is the way you have to filter out the keywords. Next, if you'll scroll down, you'll see more keywords. The digital marketing agency near me, it's quite famous keyword. You have to target the people they're searching for digital marketing agency near me. You will show your ads, the people will call you directly. I'll show you how to create a Google ads for the call directly by using some extensions. So digital marketing agency price you can see is quite high, 28 rupees to 102 rupees. It's quite high. Similarly, if you will scroll up, you'll see web marketing. Web marketing cost is 2000, that is maximum. In case of these kinds of keyword where one value is too high, high values 2000 rupees, like you can say it's $3, $4, you should avoid targeting that keywords. If you can get 100 click in that $3 budget, so try to target those keywords where competition is little less. Assume I have $100 and I'm getting one click in that $100. Why should target that keyword? Target a keyword which cost me $10 and in that $100 I should get at least 10 clicks, at least one lead I should get in that budget. So this is the way to target the keywords. And we have more keyword suggestion. SEO digital marketing agency near me, marketing firm you can avoid. See here the competition is low, pricing is low. So this is how you create filters. Next option we have it add filter. This, if you click on this area, you can create filters based on the keywords. Keywords contain services. So this is going to create a filter for the digital marketing services, digital marketing services, digital marketing agency. So these are the way you can create filters. You can create filters based on more keywords. Let's assume the keyword which contains company or agency, so we can target those keywords easily. Instead of finding the keywords out of 1000, 2000, 3000 lists, you just figure out the keywords which is relevant to you. You can also create filter based on competition, impression, top bid, low bid, and excluding keywords in your account plan, competition and organic impression, organic average position. These two things works when you connected your Google Ads account with the console, Google Search Console. So this is currently not required, and these data is important, so you can target the high and the low bid. So this is how you can create filters. And now we'll learn how to bring these keywords into our Google Ads account. So let's assume I want this keyword, this keyword, this keyword, this keyword, this keyword. And next option you have is select existing campaign if you have any, or you can target based on the ad group if you have in your Google Ads account. If you have any ad group, then you can target through this one. It will automatically get added to your campaign. Next option we have is match type. You can target broad, phrase, exact. So these things I'll discuss you in a separate tutorial because it's very vast. If I'm targeting digital marketing, there could be n number of variations: digital marketing agency, digital marketing course, digital marketing PDF, digital marketing tools. So n number of variation. But when we say digital marketing agency, we are restricting ourselves to agency, the people those who are searching for agency. In case of phrase match, there will be a little variation. There may be agency, services, company. So these are the variations when you target phrase. Exact is something like when the people they are searching for digital marketing agency, then only that my ad should show. If they'll type anything else, digital marketing is their agency is a, if they'll add anything, it will only check the slight variations. There may be spelling mistake, they'll not affect in case of exact match. I hope these things clear you, but I'll teach you in a separate tutorial. Next option is add to create a plan, and next option we have is add keyword. When you click the add keyword, it's going to add inside your saved list. Here is the saved keyword list. If we'll click on this add keywords, is going to save inside the saved keywords and it will get stored. So you can use it for the creating campaign. You just click on create campaigns and they will create a campaign with these keywords. It's quite easy, right? You can create filters based on location, language, type and date. This is the list. And next option we have is forecast. With these keywords we can forecast how much conversion we can get and what will the average cost for that campaign, and impression, how many impression we can get, what will be the CTR and what will be the CPC. Everything we are going to get from that keywords. If we scroll down, these are the keywords we have selected and these are the number of clicks we can get, these are the impression, these are the costs. So Google says approximately you can get 89 conversion and the average cost per lead will be 160 rupees. So that's quite cheaper, right? So this is just only for forecasting the data and tell the client that this will be the budget, you can get this much of conversion within that budget. Next option we have is the negative keywords. As I told you, the negative keywords, when you're targeting any keywords campaign, then there will be a negative keywords. Let's assume I'm targeting digital marketing keywords for my main keywords of my campaign, and there people may search for PDF, the people may search for courses. So these are not my relevant terms. Courses, PDF, 2023, 2022, these are the negative terms. So you can add these things in your negative keywords and create campaigns with those negative keywords. So this was the only thing there inside the keywords planner. I hope you find this video useful. If you did, give thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more further updates. Thank you.